Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. Today we have a 2015 Holden Barina. This shape ran from the 11th month 2011 to the 12th month 2018. This vehicle sustained damage to the left-hand front. This vehicle is fitted with an F16D4 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a front-wheel drive automatic transmission. We have the left-hand rear door, appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mag wheels. Left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Tailgate. Rear bumper cover. Right hand tail light. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel, right rear has a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right hand front door appears to have no damage. Right hand power door mirror. Right hand front guard. Right hand fog light and surrounds. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black and grey cloth interior. We have the driver's power window master switch. Has a tidy handbrake lever, tidy automatic transmission center console, tidy automatic transmission gear stick, factory AC controls, factory media player, head unit, tidy interior mirror, a tidy left-hand sun visor, a tidy right-hand sun visor, automatic transmission instrument cluster, I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.